I'm put off by the fact that you guys are campaigning and are promoting your other channel more than you're campaigning and promoting me. And I don't like it one bit. You guys have this educational channel. Oh, how nice! You're providing free educational videos for children in this country and in other countries. Oh, how sweet! Meanwhile, I'm dying. I'm floundering. There's nothing going on my channel. It's all because of you guys. Because you're putting all of your energy into something that's not me. And I don't appreciate it. I mean, what do you have to say for yourself?
I'm sorry, what were you saying? I missed your point.